Good morning to all. Welcome back to our class. So in the last class, I introduced you our little red hen, her chicks, tabby cat and piggy. So today let us see what is happening in the lesson. So shall we start? So let us see what is happening there. So little red hen and her chicks lived on a farm. So what do you mean by farm? It is an open area. Okay, farm. So this little red hen and her chicks lived on a farm. Piggy and tabby cat also lived on the farm. So little red hen, her chicks, then tabby cat and piggy, they all lived on the farm. Once little red hen found a few grains of wheat in the farmyard. So one day what happened? This little red hen found some grains of wheat where? In the farmyard. An open area near the farm is known as farmyard. So when she saw that, she asked, who will sow the grains of wheat? So what did little red hen asked? Who will sow? What do you mean by sow? To put the seeds in the soil. Who will sow this green grains? So you know the reply of Piggy and Tabby. Piggy said, oh, not I. So what did Piggy say? Oh no, I am not ready. Then what was the reply of Tabby cat? Oh, not I. So what happened? This Piggy and Tabby cat, they both were not ready to sow the grains. Then little red hen sowed the wheat herself. She sowed the wheat grains herself. Now, after a few days, what happened? The wheat seeds grew into plants. First of all, it was only seeds. After sowing it, what happened? After some days, that weeds became small plants. Now, little red asked, who will water the plants? So we want to water it, then only it will grow. So little red hen asked, who will water the plants? You want to know the reply of Piggy and Tabby? So what did Piggy said? Oh, not I. Then what did Tabby cat say? Oh, not I. So you see, children, see how lazy are they? This Piggy and Tabby, they are very lazy, isn't it? Are you lazy like them? No, you are not at all lazy. You all are very good children. I know that. Okay, so further what happened? Let us see. So little red hen watered the plants. Then when grains came on the plants, now what happened? These grains came on the plants. That time, little red hen asked, who will cut the wheat? So her next question was, who will cut the grain? So you want to know the reply? Or Tabby cat said, oh, not I. What did Piggy say? Oh, not I. So you see, very lazy, isn't it? Tabby Cat and Piggy, they are very lazy. So our poor little red hen cut the wheat and took it to the mill to make flour. Have you seen a mill? Yes, most of you have seen. So here in the picture you can see this little red hen. First of all, you can see this hen and her chicks. Next you can see what she is asking to Tabby Cat and Piggy. Here she alone is doing. Now in this picture, what can you see? You can see a flour mill. Here you can see this little red hen. She is carrying all the wheat to the mill. You can see the picture of a flour mill. Can you see it? Yes. Then what did she do? Little red hen baked a nice loaf of bread. So she got it grind from the mill. Then with that, what did she do? She baked a bread. And she called her little chicks to come and eat the bread. You can see in the picture. So this little red hen, she has served bread to her chicks. And here what can you see, children? Yes, our Tabby Cat and Piggy, they are looking through the window. Isn't it? They are looking. They are hungry now. They need this bread. So let us see. Now little red hen called them. Come and eat the bread, my dear chicks. Little red hen called her chicks. Come on, children. Come and eat the bread. That time, Tabby Cat and Piggy said, we want some of the bread. So what did Tabby Cat and Piggy say? We also want bread. So what did little red hen told them? Do you want to hear her reply? Yes, she told, you didn't plant the seeds, water the plants, cut the grains, take it to the mill and bake the bread. You shall have no bread. So what reply did our little red hen give? Yes, she told, you didn't plant the seeds, you didn't water the plants, you didn't cut the grains, then you didn't take it to the mill, you didn't bake this bread. These all works were done by me, isn't it? So you have no bread for you. And little red hen and her chicks ate up all the bread. So who ate up the bread? Little red hen and her chicks. So my dear kids, thus we come to an end to our first lesson, Little Red Hen. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. So shall we wind up our class? So what you have to do is take a rough note and you try to draw the picture of Little Red Hen and its chicks, also Tabby Cat and Piggy also. Will you do it? Yes. So we can meet in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.